Imagine a crucial part is delayed just hours before a significant flight, or a major component fails upon installation during the last maintenance check stages. I'm sure this is all too familiar with you, but my question is your material partners ready to resolve these challenges with you? Proactive problem solving can make the difference between a smooth operation and a grounded mess. So let's explore four key characteristics of strong aircraft material partnerships to help you through the good and the challenging times. Key characteristic number one, anticipating needs. Valuable partners foresee potential issues before they arise. They don't just react, they anticipate. Imagine partners who regularly monitor parts and schedule replacements in advance, preventing last minute scrambles and keeping your operation running smoothly. Key characteristic number two, swift action plans. When problems arise, rapid and effective responses are crucial. You want partners who can accept problems and solve them. Key characteristic number three, resource availability. Effective partners have the right resources, they're ready. They maintain a well-stocked inventory, ensuring quick repairs, and are all about boosting your operational efficiency. They also meet with their customers, which would be you, regularly to establish material plans based on annual consumption patterns. Key characteristic number four, continuous improvement. The best material partners don't just solve today's problems, they learn to prevent future issues from occurring. By analyzing past failures and implementing changes swiftly, they enhance performance, reduce delays, and increase material reliability. Continuous proactive problem solving and material partnerships prevents disruptions, ensures swift resolutions, and drives continuous improvement, not only for you, but for your partners. If your current partners don't meet these criteria, consider Skylink, a material partner for maintenance teams worldwide since 1986, and we're dedicated to keeping your operations running smoothly. Follow this channel, like this video, and tag that bell to get notified of more videos to help your aircraft maintenance material operation run smoothly with the right partners.